If you instantly reach the surface of the sun, and then instantly come back, what would happen? First, the surface of the sun is about 9,032 degrees Fahrenheit. If you stay too long, you will surely turn to ashes. But what if you stay for a very short time? For example, 1 nanosecond. What would happen then? 1 nanosecond is 1/1000th of a second. 1 nanosecond of meat. Even light can only travel 1 foot. When you instantly arrive at the surface of the sun, even if you are staring directly at the sun, within 1 nanosecond, only about 1 microjoule of energy enters your eyes. In contrast, when you sit in front of a computer, staring at the screen, then quickly closing your eyes, and then quickly opening them again, at this moment, the energy entering your eyes is also about 1 microjoule, the same as the energy you receive in front of the sun, completely identical. When sunlight enters your eyes, the retinal cells in your eyes don't even have time to react before you have already returned to Earth. In the next few million nanoseconds, the retinal cells begin to work and send signals to the brain. This also means that, although you spent 1 nanosecond by the sun, your brain only realizes you were there after 30 million nanoseconds, before it becomes aware that you came to the sun. From your perspective, you will only see a flash of light. However, the duration of that flash is longer than 1 nanosecond, because your retinal cells also need time to stop functioning. Within 1 nanosecond, the energy received by your skin is also extremely small. Every inch of skin receives approximately only 0.00001 joules of energy. By comparison, if you extend your finger into the blue flame of a lighter, the energy received by every inch of skin on your hand is about 5 joules. This is the standard for a second-degree burn. The energy you receive from the sun is 1,100,000 times this standard. Therefore, except for seeing a faint flash, you don't even feel the heat from the sun. It seems that as long as the speed is fast enough, the sun can't hurt us. However, the temperature of the sun's surface is actually relatively low. Compared to the sun's core, the sun's surface is considered the coldest winter. The temperature of the sun's core is several million degrees Fahrenheit. If you stayed in the core of the sun for 1 nanosecond, what will happen? After calculation, if you are at the core of the sun for 1 femtosecond, then you have reached the level of a second-degree burn. Now you have been at the sun's core for 1 nanosecond. 1 nanosecond contains 1 million femtoseconds. This is equivalent to 1 million lighters being lit at the same time. It would most likely turn your skin to ash. In Greek mythology, it is said that the winged Icarus melted his wings for flying too close to the sun, and thus melted his wings. However, the reality is, although the temperature increases the closer you get to the sun, temperature and heat are not the same thing. An object requires a certain amount of heat to melt, and heat is determined by the factors of temperature and time. Therefore, the winged Icarus would not melt just for being near. As long as his speed is fast enough, he could actually go anywhere in the universe.